How do you keep a skyscraper standing in one of the world's most dangerous cities for earthquakes? Meet Torre Mayor in Mexico City, a 739-foot tower built directly on a seismic hot zone. But here's the secret. It's packed with 96 shock absorbers, also known as dampers, that allow the building to move without breaking during a quake. It was the first skyscraper in Latin America built to this extreme safety level, and it's still one of the safest anywhere in the world. It's so strong that it didn't even crack during the 2003 and 2017 earthquakes that shook the city. Would you trust your life to earthquake-proof engineering like this?